Hey guys, this is going to be the commentary video of this hunter 1896 art novea medalist. So yeah, this fan is dated of March 1995. It's a 4-blade fan. You know, everything's original, stuff like that. But yeah, you know, here's the light. It used to have just one pull light to turn all of the lights on, but I put this three-way light switch on it. So yeah, these two come on, and all four goes. So yeah, put it on there so y'all can see the fan more. You know, it's got a crack in this shade. So, you know, I don't know where that came from. I got this fan off of, let me start on low. I got this fan off of Facebook Marketplace for $20. You know, it's in very good condition. Blows a lot of air. And yeah, you know, very ornate. And my very first ornate fan. So yeah, you know, it doesn't wobble that much. It only sways on low. So yeah. So, like I said, just moves a lot of air. It's very fast, so yeah. I put those pull chains on there. It did have it didn't have no pull chain when I got it, but you know, I just decided to put these two on. This red tassel, this gold ring around there. I make tassel pull chains, so yeah. And then you know, that diamond that I had from this Hampton Bay landmark. So yeah. And there's the light again. You know, it puts out a little breeze on low. So yeah. So I'm turning on medium. See, let me wipe the camera. Yeah, my shed is kind of dirty from doing a lot of work. So yeah, you know, there's the G vent, ceiling vent I have had a motor swap, so there's gonna be more of that in the next video I'll make about it. But yeah, here's the medium. But it's a good breeze on medium, you know. It's on the long down rod. It was on high ceiling, so yeah. But yeah, you know, it's very good fans. So ornate. It's kind of rare. So yeah, I doubt I'll never get this fan, but you know. But anyways, here's high. It does hum a little. You know what I mean? No, you can fix that. Well, it does kind of wobble a little, but not that much. So yeah. am going to put rubber bands around the rim of these shades or electrical tape, because you know I think that's probably where the buzzing is coming from. But yeah, but you know, also a very great amount of air. So yeah, I'll show y'all the startup sound. You know, some of y'all, y'all know y'all like that. Y'all know the startup sound. So yeah. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Said some fan is dated from March 1995. Hunter, 1896. Novea medalist. And yeah, also I know there's another fan like this, Covert Garden fan. You know, it looks just like this fan kind of, but it doesn't really have all that ornate design on the sideband really as much, and you know it doesn't have these shades. But yeah, that's pretty much it of this fan. So here it is, and you know I'll make another video of the fan that I built with parts. So yeah, in the next video. So yeah.